Hi, in front of me is LG K62 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can reset your icons on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Accessibility and tap on Vision. Then choose Display Size over here and swipe left or right in order to adjust size of your icons and overall display. So now when I click Home button, I can see that my icons are smaller. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!